Gonna start with the other side now. Okay, so what I noticed is that I think the chain is caught under this and the cuckoo clock. So loosen it up and see what happens. So the chain is this chain is alright. Okay, it's not catching. I'll tie it up again, and I might have to now there's a lot of dust in there. Yeah, this is what I'm using to blow some dust, especially this one was full. Yeah, I'm using some air duster. You can see this. There you go. Some there. Yeah, that's it for now. And now, what I'm going to do is put some oil, lubricate those little gears. I use this oil. I know it will be easier if I take the clock apart, but I don't like that. I want to leave them as the way they were, in other words, the way they put it the first time, and just leave it like that forever. Just like there. Take off the bellow so they give me some more room. Just leave it there for now. Having a hard time getting to that chain. See, it moves just a little bit more than before anyway, but it's just has dropped off. I think I'm going to have a break for now. Okay, I'll come back in a few minutes.